The eyes are one of the first features people notice when they meet someone new. To make the most out of your eyes, and your first impression, you can add eyelash extensions. Getting long, lush lashes and then adding eye-popping, pardon the pun, makeup can make your eyes really stand out, and who wouldn't want that? Even if you're not wearing any other eye makeup, your eyes will still have that exotic look that no one can ignore. Extensions will give you the impact you want no matter where you are, or what you are doing. If you have determined that eyelash extensions are the right choice for you, you have two distinct options. You can either apply them yourself, and save a lot of money in the process, or go to a salon and have it done professionally. If you have the budget, and this is your first time, you may be better off having a professional apply them for you. It can be a little tricky, and as with pretty much everything, practice does make perfect. It's also a good way for you to watch what they're doing, so you will have an easier time if and when you decide to do it for yourself. Most stylists can even show you how to do it and answer any questions that come to mind. If you choose to start right off with the do-it-yourself option, you should get a kit. Not only will you get detailed directions with a kit, you will also get everything needed to apply the lashes. The first time you apply your lashes, you shouldn't have any big plans. Expecting to do your own lashes an hour before a big date or a special occasion may not be wise. If you do run into any problems, you'll have really put yourself under a lot of pressure. Instead, do it the first time when you have plenty of time. That way, if you have some difficulties, you won't be adding to the pressure by running out of time too. And don't forget, you bought a kit for a reason. Make sure you carefully follow the directions. When buying your extensions, you have the choice of buying eyelashes that are made of real human hair or those that are made up of synthetic products. The real hair option is the most expensive, but they also look real. Duh, they are real. The synthetic lashes will come in many quality levels, and you do get what you pay for. The higher the quality, the higher the price. It's usually not a good idea to get the cheapest one you can find. For anyone who wants to get the glamorous look of long, lush eyelashes and maybe take what nature has given you up a notch, eyelash extensions are a great way to go. Whether you do it yourself or go to a salon and get it done, you can really make your eyes pop, and isn't that what it's all about?